Welcome back to the GSM workshop. This is an update on the Land Rover Series 2 I'm restoring. A lot has gone on since the last video. As you can see, the engine is now in, and a lot of other stuff has gone on as well. So apologies for not having a more up-to-date or in between these last two this video. So as you can see, the engine is in. Went in quite nice. It's nice not to have the fenders and wings and things on here as well. It made it a lot easier. Got a new fuel pump is in here. You can see it. There's also a new slave cylinder for the clutch down there, but I'm missing quite a few parts of that. This will be the vacuum line that goes over a little bit later on. On the front, got a new link bar in here. Well, not a new one, but a nice straight one with new ball joints on it. With the what do we call this? Steering relay shaft. Again, all new. The manifolds are on and bolted in. We've got a brand new carburetor and a nicely CNC machined adapter plate underneath here. I'm going to come back to that in a second. Brake lines are in. I'm going to come back to this area in a minute. New brake lines, all new brake lines, going to be put in all the way around. The stick on the front, the shock absorbers are in. And there is new, if you can see, there's new urethane joints, bushes I should say, for the shackles all the way around on the suspension. You can see it on here as well, all the way around. Putting in braided lines for the brakes. This is not hooked up yet because I've got new brake cylinders put in. Anything new in here? Coil is on. Obviously not wired up. Go back around here. A little bit of confusion about the clutch layout for the way it works, because this is obviously not standard. We've got power brakes. It has its own brake reservoir. I know on the originals this was a reservoir for the clutch and for the brakes. So right now it's just for the clutch. I put a blanking plug, which would normally have gone into the master cylinder originally. So this is not in properly yet, and I have to put a clutch line in as well. Around there. Around here, I have the rather strange looking handbrake cable, a lever, sorry. It is all hooked up. Oh, and also I have the emergency brake drum on, and as you can see, I have the dry shafts in as well, with the rubber boots. Oops, sorry about that. Rubber boots to keep it clean on the slip joints. And now you can see the new brake lines. I haven't done over the axle yet on the brake lines, so that's coming soon, probably this week. Anything else on this side? Rear shock absorbers bolted in. Just got to put a quarter pin on the bottom. This is just a box of stuff here. Okay, rear shock absorber. And the fuel tank is in, bolted in. Got that bolted in nicely. And I am now putting in the fuel line. I'm going to use clamps to clamp it two parts of the body up to the fuel pump. Now you can see how the emergency brake works. This is the exhaust system, just here, stainless one. Nothing else has changed up here. Let's go back around to the carburetor. I will show you what my plan is. We just pause here. I may have somebody outside. Okay, I'm back. That's kind of interesting. I also do small engine repair, and somebody just dropped off a small engine. I had no idea who it is. They just dropped it off literally outside my door. Anyway, so the carburetor linkage was a little bit convoluted. This went onto here, and this arm went over to there, and I guess this end here actuated the throttle on the original carburetor. I won't be using that now. That part there, it goes to the pedal, and this wood also goes up and down or sideways, and I can make it so it actually fits straight on the linkage, will fit straight onto the throttle lever here. So this bit becomes redundant. I'll be taking it off. I can tidy up the brake lines around here, make it nicer. That comes off. And I will show you what my plan is to do that, which is I've done on other cars as well. So let me just take you to a bench and I'll show you all the bits and pieces I got. So just walk this way. Okay. This is a lot of stuff I have from different suppliers, mainly Amazon. So I have threaded rod, which is 6mm in this case, and I have these nuts which will extend it. I can adjust it with, and somewhere here there should be, here they are, and in this packet here I can just put you down and you just look at the car for a second. Slice that open. Okay. These are the ball joints I'm going to use to attach to the carburetor throttle linkage, and then this bar will link the two together. There's one going in. So this will attach, say, to the foot part of the accelerator, and then turn it around. This will then go to the carburetor, and this linkage will be what it moves up and down, altering it. I think that should work. So that's the plan. I'll let you know how that one goes. Probably other parts on here. I have clamps for fuel lines, washers, unions, pressure switches. That's not part of that one. Over here I have all the heater hoses to go in as well. So lots of work to do still, but it's getting there very nicely. It's turning into a very nice project, and I'm looking forward to showing you more as we go along. The biggest problem I have right now is I'll go back to the car, trying to explain. It's not so much hard work. Oh, I have to tell you about the shackles. Anybody can help me with this, who sees this. Here's the slave cylinder for the clutch actuator. I have the rod that goes down here, but I don't have anything else. I'm missing a bunch of stuff that goes in here to actuate the clutch, turns this. I need that. I'm looking for it. So any help would be really appreciated on that one. So I'll be working on that this week coming as well. What was I going to say? The shackle joints. These things here, these babies. They were an absolute nightmare to get out. The old ones had rusted in there. It was heat, air chisels, grinders, sawzalls, everything to get those out. They were an absolute nightmare. I'm glad that was out of the way, but they had to be done. Anyway, thank you for watching. Lots more to follow. this week coming, it will be tidying up around the engine bay area, and I'm hoping to get the fenders painted up soon as well, maybe this week, and get those sorted out, get the throttle working for the clutch, and maybe a little bit of electrical work as well. Again, thank you for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, or if you want me to do something different, you want me to actually see me working on it, let me know and I can do that. Anyway, please like, subscribe, more to come. Bye for now.